YouTube. It's been a while. Yeah, I think around 4 months since my last video. Yes. Where have I been? What have I done? Well, we can talk a bit in this, I don't know, short video, because I want to give you some updates. Yes. What have I done? Many things. I opened an online shop called kleinewelten.ch. It's a shop only for Swiss customers, so I only ship in Switzerland. And I'm selling a lot of stuff, but most of the stuff, around 90%, is stuff that I use myself when I build my dioramas or on my layout or on all my projects. So yeah, I was busy setting up this shop, and this took a long time and some hours, but now it's up and running, and you can buy stuff there, from bushes to colors to paints to me for shape, or even a lighting system from the little layout company from the UK. Yes, but that was one project. Then I had some other projects, I really can't remember them. Also some private things, and yes, then it was winter, so we were cross skiing a bit and this and that, and so yeah, the time flies, and now it's March. But today I want to tell you I will start new. I will start fresh. Not with a new layout or so. Well, kind of, but I won't tear down my HO layout, no. But I will build an exhibition layout, or maybe at first it will be an exhibition diorama. Yeah, this will be in HO scale, and something for me that's totally new. It's around late 50s or maybe in the 60s, 1960s, somewhere around there. Of course, it will be US specific, because I choose a railroad that I don't have an engine till now. There is one pre-ordered, I think, from Rapido, from the Louisiana and Nashville Railroad, L&N. Yes, and what I will build is, maybe I have a picture from the locomotive I can pop up on screen here. And last year I ordered a kit, and that's a kit from Foss Scale Models, from Doug from Foss Scale Models from the United States, and he made what is it? A limited run HO scale kit, and I think it's the 23rd year. So it's a pretty big kit, and it's called the Railroad Avenue. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. So the whole diorama and the whole idea started with this kit. And first I was thinking, yeah, we'll just build a diorama just with those buildings, with the city, and it's all made out of wood, so that's something new for me. But then I was thinking, I need a train. So I decided to create a diorama, and let me get you a little closer. Here you can see the more or less diorama. The dimensions are 1.20 meters by 45 centimeters by 50 centimeters high. And the idea is, here in the front, on this section, there will be a train running. It goes here in the back, and also on this side on the back. So we will have here a track, and also some scenery and stuff. And on top of that, behind the wall, there will be the city buildings, as you can see in here. And I will try to create this diorama only with products I'm selling also on my shop. Because the idea will be that I go to exhibitions in Switzerland, with this diorama slash layout to showcase first my work, my skills, and also to show products I'm selling. That's the whole idea behind it. I already started to build or paint the backdrops with blue, so for the sky. I also got the wood already, so yeah, of course, because I'm painting the sky. I started laying the track, but I think this will be in a separate video because I also want to document the whole build, the whole series. So I think this will be the next big content pack on this channel. But I will also have many other things to do. So I have to shop, I have to renovate my house, I have to run a federation or an association in disc golf, and the disc golf season starts this weekend, but I will not participate in it this weekend. Then I also, of course, have my girlfriend, so I want to take some time and do stuff with her. So you see, life. And I'm still working 100%, so let's see. The goal, maybe the goal would be by the end of the year, I want to be finished with this diorama, or at least have it in this stage, so to showcase it the first time. Yeah, that's more or less that. And of course maybe I will do some smaller videos or shorter videos with updates or on the process, but I want to build this layout and I want to show you how I do it, and also how I build those kits and learn to build those kits. So it will be also a bit of an educational series. Yeah, I hope my next video will not come out in 3 months from now, because then we're already in the middle of summer. So keep your fingers pressed, and as always, thanks for watching. I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye.